Hello, welcome to the project model of automatic movable railway platform. So in this project, a bridge is used to connect two platforms. When train is coming from this side, automatically this platform gets disconnected, and when train leaves from the platform, automatically this bridge will be connected. So for that we have used here 8051 microcontroller, again two IR sensor which is used to detect arrival and departure of the train, again this LCD which is used to display the process which is going on, that is arrival and departure of the train, again the status of train on the platform, again this L293D motor driver which is used to drive this bridge, that is which is used to drive bridge in forward and reverse, that is it is used to connect or disconnect the bridge. Now to start with this project, first of all we have to start the system. We have to provide the power here. Okay, LCD show automatic movable railway platform. So initially there is no train, so LCD show waiting for a train. When any train is coming towards the platform, at that time IR detects, okay, automatically platform gets disconnected, and when it is leaving from the platform, automatically platform gets connected. Now when train coming from this side, at that time IR sensor detected, automatically platform gets disconnected, and when train depart from this platform, automatically platform gets connected. So thank you.